YT, what up, though, baby? It's your boy, man, the LS Swap Guru. What's that? Oh, that's dirt. Man, I have had man, I haven't had a day this good in a long time, you guys. I'm actually recording this video, or remaking this video, I should say. Today is June 17th, man. As you can see from the title, it's real, it's legit, it is going down, it is happening. Today, I'm proud to announce we're going to be doing our first giveaway. I've been trying to do this thing for the longest, but I've been pushing it off, trying to wait for the right moment, and something came to me and said, hey, bruh, it's never going to be a right moment. So we right at 50K, approaching 50K subscribers, so I said, hell, what better way would there be to say thank you guys? And I think it's for a giveaway, man. So basically what we have here is a 5.3 rebuilt, 0 miles, new cam bearings, new rod bearings. It's gonna have everything new front seal, rear seal, valve cover gaskets, LS7 lifters, new lifter trays, new cam. It's gonna be new everything. So 5.3 cam. Sorry about that. It's gonna be a 5.3 cam with Z06, 243 or 799 heads. The heads are obviously going to be brand new. Going to go get a valve job on them and all of that. Get some nice springs on them. I don't know, maybe some 600. Depending on the cam I get, I might get stronger springs than that. We're going to be doing 7,400 push rods and LS7 lifters. Long story short, you guys know what it is. It's going to come with a swap pan. It's going to come with a LS1 or LS6 intake, whatever I can get my hands on. It'll come obviously with some exhaust manifolds, harness, and a computer tune. So basically, what are you guys going to be entering in? It's for a turnkey package. Excuse me if I'm a little hyper. It's just excuse me if I'm a little hyper. It's just I really had a great day, and I don't know. Maybe I'm excited to finally be doing this giveaway. Confession time. I'll get to the confession in a second. This is how this is going to work, you guys. Please only use this email for the giveaway. The email is, give me 1 second. I know it is. I just want to double, triple, quadruple check and make sure that I get this thing right. I think it's LS Guru. Let me see. Okay, cool. Yeah. The email is LS Guru giveaway. I'm trying to show it to you guys real quick. Hold on 1 second. This is the email right here. Focus, baby. Come on. I'll turn the camera around. Give me 1 minute. Don't be laughing at me. I know I'm dirty. I'm in a wagon, as you can see. This is the email for those of you that didn't know my real name. You see it right there, Daddy Thomas. Daddy Thomas. That's the email that you guys need to contact me and reach me on. lsgurugiveaway@gmail.com. Now that we got that out the way, there's going to be a total of 4 winners. First place gets the engine, and I'm going to be taking care of the shipping. First place gets the engine, or $2,500. If you want to get in, just support. Hey, I appreciate it, man. $2,500 or the engine, one or the other. You can't have both. Eventually, we're gonna get there. Second place, $500. Third place, $500. And I mean, fourth place, $500. You know what I'm saying? So you got 4 chances to win. It's $75 per entry. It's going to be 150 entries, you guys. So now this is the time for the confession. So I went on, like I said, I'm remaking this video. I have to remake this video because I had lost my my SD card adapter to my MacBook, so I couldn't upload the other one. But in the other video, I was extremely tired, and I had a great day today, like I said previously. So I went on live just to I wasn't for sure if I wanted to do a pre-sale, but when I was on live, the top 1% said, hey, kick off the pre-sale, start it now. So like I said, today is June 17th. June 17th. My baby calling me. What's up, beautiful? Had to talk to my baby. So I went on live today, and I went on live just to kind of show everybody I was in a big booty wagon. As you can see right now, I'm enjoying this thing. I'm loving this thing. And they told me, hey, start a pre-sale. So I did start the pre-sale. They didn't get a discount, but what I will say is, it's midday. I'm going to go check my emails again. I'm going to go check my cash apps. I'm going to go check the Zelle. All information is below. Contact me, like I said, on LS Guru Giveaway. Contact me on my email, lsgurugiveaway giveaway@gmail.com if you can't find the information to be paid. So here's the confession. Earlier today, I have to calm myself down. I'm a little bit too happy, you guys, so let me just bring it down. Earlier today, I went on YouTube Live. Everybody asked me to do a pre-sale, so I did do a pre-sale. So they got you guys beat maybe by, I don't know, not a lot, about a couple hours. But so far, we have sold out, I believe, 16. I haven't checked my emails or nothing like that. So within like 4 hours, we sold out about 16 numbers. I think we're about 16 numbers out. So we only have 134 slots left. So I don't think this thing is going to last no longer than, I'd be surprised if it went a week. I don't think it's going to last that long, but we'll see what's going to happen. Just a couple questions that people ask me on live. How is this thing going to work? Basically, they're going to be 150 balls. I voted on everything, so if you guys didn't catch it, I apologize. I will be doing another giveaway. I don't know what yet, and I don't know how soon, but depending on how this one goes, I'll be doing another one very soon. So this is how it's going to work. I'm going to put 150 balls in a big old, like, carnival kind of a basket. I'm going to rotate it, pull a ball out, pull a ball out, pull a ball out. The last 4 people basically wins. The first 24 hours, I will even do it for this video because I don't feel right doing it for them. The first 24 hours, this video will be posted June 18th, no later than 9 a.m. So I'm saying June 19th, 9 a.m. After that, numbers will be random selected for you guys. I will post a link, not a link. I will post the numbers that's already taken in the comments below. I also will be making a list so everybody can make sure their numbers, and everybody has their right numbers. Everybody gonna know what numbers they're gonna get and receive. I know I'm talking a little crazy. I'm trying to bring it down, but you guys don't understand how excited I am, man. Not only to be doing this giveaway, I'm not even excited for it. I am excited for the giveaway. I'm excited to be back in this BBW, this big booty wagon. I haven't been in a car that I drove in over, I haven't been in a car that I built in over, shoot, man, it's been damn near 10 years. So you guys got to understand my excitement. The engine that you guys are going to be getting, I never told nobody, but this is no longer a 5.3 in this wagon. This is actually a 6.0 heads and cam or whatever. I switched it because of granddad. It's a long story, but in this wagon, it's a 6.0. My 5.3 was built to this same exact specs. So if you guys want the engine to sound like this, or your engine, I'm gonna talk to you. Speaking into existence, if you want your engine to sound like this, go ahead, go get you a ticket. Like I said, grab your ticket, 75 bucks. You can't beat it. That's including shipping. If you are way out in the States somewhere, that's including shipping. You'll be able to get it. And as soon as you make your payment to Zelle, the Zelle information right there, the thelsswapguru@gmail.com, or send your donation to cashapp, the thelsswapguru. I will be, you have to email me. Email me with your name, your phone number, and address. Name, phone number, and address. We're going to, hopefully we get this done within about a week, but enough of that, man. The video is 10 minutes long. Sometimes too much information is basically a brain fart. Y'all just got to hear this thing. This is exactly how y'all 5.3 going to sound. Check it out. Check it out, man. Check it out. I didn't even let the freaking car idle down. I turned it off before I idled down, messing with this fool. That was granddad, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Over here calling me about part numbers and stuff. What's wrong with that, man? So, I can't stop cheesing, man. Bring it down. First giveaway, 5.3, 4L6, oh shoot, not a transmission. First giveaway, 5.3. Heads and cam. This setup would be about easy 400 horsepower setup. It's not going to be any cheap accessories on there. You guys are going to get the Holley C5 front accessories. I already started placing orders for the parts. And like I said, I'm excited. I hope you guys, the only way you're not going to win is by not entering. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's going to be like, oh, he's probably going to be making, don't worry about how much money I'm going to make, because whatever I'm going to do, I'm going to invest it back into this channel. So I already got one more giveaway up my sleeve. Once this one sell out, I promise you guys, at the end of that giveaway, at the end of this 5.3 giveaway, I already got another giveaway lined up. I just want to see how this one works. It's going to be my first one. I'm kind of super late, super behind on the giveaway thing. I've been wanting to do it. Like I said, I'm just an extremely busy person. You guys will see this engine get built, top to bottom, front to back. Well, you guys will see the long block get built because the short block is already built. Other than that, leave it in the comments. Let me know if you already joined. Also, leave it in the comments if you join. No, I don't want y'all to do that because... Hold on, what am I trying to say? Leave it in the comments if you already joined. You're more than free to say what number you got. That way people knows what numbers it's taking. That's pretty much it, you guys. Listen, y'all know I got mental problems. Y'all know I act crazy sometimes. Tone it down. Breathe. Now we here. Happy Father's Day to everybody. This is Father's Day weekend. I didn't even know until today. So I want to say Happy Father's Day. And to all the guys that don't have kids, you know, I want to say, hey, somebody should be calling you daddy as well. So happy Father's Day to you, my guy. And I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Like I said, it's been a long run. We right at 50K. So I got something very, very special for all my supporters. And for everybody that support me, you're not only supporting me, you supporting my family, supporting my dream. And that's pretty much it. Time for me to hop in this big booty wagon and go home, man. Only thing this thing is missing is AC. I am going to do an update on it. I know this video is about the giveaway, but I just had to let y'all know I do have matching tires all the way around this time. I got matching tires, y'all. Look at that. I just sprayed that thing. Oh, shoot. I need to take this back in the shop. Take that cord back in the shop. Look at that. I just sprayed that thing, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Turn this thing back on for y'all. The other side don't look this clean, though. That's why I had to start from this side. Ooh, dusty. Okay. I cut the pressure washer on, so that messed that one up. I'm gonna wet sand them, put a little clear coat on it. Got some new brakes on that thing. Exclusive, baby. 5.7, you know what I'm saying, you know. But I got the other wheels that I'm gonna put on in the back. I'm actually trying to get to a tire shop right now. That's why that one's still messed up. Because I got this one I'm about to put on. So yeah, man. Go join the giveaway. I appreciate it. Hopefully I didn't overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I was able to, you know, maintain myself and hold my composure. If you guys need anything, holla at me. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know black people always gotta say peace 1,001 times, man. But for this time for real, I'm out. Like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Haters only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper and get your ticket on this giveaway because I'm trying to get mine. Enjoy this instrumental by my big cousin SSV. I love you, bro. And check it out. If you guys have any instrumentals, please send them in. I want to support somebody. Hopefully I can get somebody, help somebody get out there, man. If you got an instrumental, send it to my email, thelsswapguru@gmail.com. And I'm not going to let you know. I'm going to just post it and it'll be a surprise to you. Send it to your cousin, send it to your friends, and I'm out. This bitch sounds good. On my mama's mama. Big booty, boy. It needs some gears off. That big booty working, Caesar? BBW? Hold it, God! Hold it, God! That big booty wagon. And SPP we trust. You know what I'm saying? Even got the kids in the back, right, boy? You know what I'm saying? And SPP, we trust y'all.